What? No, you don't no go out. Must not go out. She will eat that if she gets hungry. Love no? No, Kiara gani eat dog food, no? You love dog food? The dog outside don't like dog food long. Don't like dog food. Kiara here? Uy! Uy! Come on. Where is it? Where's the dog? Doggy, my friend. You must eat dog food, Doggy, my friend. Doggy, my friend. Doggy, my friend. Kapit na mo. Ma-dark be. It's getting dark. It's getting dark na be. Dali. Okay, it's getting dark na. Wala siya ni kaon dog food lang, no? She don't like dog food. Oh, they want rice. Oh, I mean, she. Hello, welcome back. I'm glad you're back. Oops. Come on. Come on, Saturn. How was your Christmas? Yeah. It was good. It was good, simply. Simple Christmas dinner. Not more. The other day, December 25, my family were here. Yeah, all my family were here. Visited me. That's it. Only that. It's simple lang. Simple Christmas. Simple Christmas is enough for me. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This is me will never forget. Good, it's nice that all you want your man is okay. Yes, my mom over here and my sister, my nieces, nephews. Yeah. Yes, my mom is okay. She is now 88. 88 years old. Yes, that's right. Yeah, thank God. Thanks God, 88.